In this video, I'll show you how to get the party chat audio on your TV speakers on the Xbox Series X. So this is basically simple. All you have to do is power on your Xbox and then access this homepage. And then from here, select the settings icon that appear on top of the screen. And then within the settings, select General and then choose Volume and Audio Output. And then choose Additional Options. And then find the party chat output. So select it, and then now you'll see three options: headset, speakers, or headset and speakers. So if you'd like the party chat audio to come to on your TV speakers, simply select speakers and you'll hear your party chat on your TV speakers. That's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.